a sabji which is made out of potato and curd. Only 5 minutes will it take to prepare this particular item. That is, we call it as URDINATTU, like that. In our Brahmin style, we prepare the same with urid dal also, sweet potato also, and this regular potato also. Now, let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. I have taken around 2 big potatoes, cooked and smashed. Little ginger, salt to taste, little green chili, little curry leaves, and little water. Plus, I have taken for seasoning red chili, mustard, and coconut oil. Now, one more item is that this is curd. Now, let us see how to prepare. I have taken this basin. I have added little water towards it, and in this water I am just adding this ginger. Next, I am adding this salt. We call it as chatpata sabjis. Suppose during the noon time some guests come and you don't have much time to prepare anything, you serve this particular item and you can prepare it very fast also. Now this, my hands are clean. I am going to squeeze it like this. You have to squeeze all the items like this and make it into some type of syrup along with this water. So everything gets crushed properly and the flavor will come out. Potatoes. Now we have to add this curd. Curd portion, you leave it only as and when it is needed, only to that extent you add it. Now for this much curd is enough. Fried chili, it is a beautiful combination for this. I am adding little asafoetida as well as little curry leaves. Those who have not prepared such type can prepare at least once and have your comments through my comment box. So nice to be with you. Thank you.